During this Eha 2025 annual meeting, I had the pleasure to present the latest update about the results of the use of the experimental agent, namely MAT13, in those patients with corticosteroid refractory acute GVHD. So just as a reminder, this is a microbiota product which is produced from pooled healthy donors. It's a full ecosystem microbiotherapy, and it is an immunosuppressant sparing agent. And we had the privilege of presenting these results in several meetings, including the last ASH and EBMT meetings. And in this Eha 2025 meeting, we presented an update in more than 170 patients, confirming clearly the efficacy of using an enema with MAT13 in patients with steroid refractory acute GVHD. And the response rate in the gut is more than 60%, and the majority of these responses are complete remission or VGPR. If you look to the overall response at day 28, again, it is very impressive, around 60%, and this will translate into an impressive overall survival at 1 year in those responding patients, far beyond the historical data we have in this population. And if we focus a bit more on the group of patients who have received ruxolitinib, because we know ruxolitinib is a standard of care for steroid refractory acute GVHD. And if you use MAT13 after ruxolitinib, actually we can show that the results are excellent in terms of response, but also in terms of overall survival for the responding patient. So clearly an important solution, an important treatment in a situation of an unmet medical need. And last but not least, in my presentation, I alluded to the first results of the phase 3 ARIS trial, which tested actually MAT13 in those patients who have a ruxolitinib resistant acute GVHD. And the results are impressive, translating into great responses, CR, VGPR majority, and this is translating into a survival advantage. And last but not least, what is also important to note is the safety profile of using this type of immunosuppressant sparing microbiotherapy is safe and feasible. And this is why we are very excited for the advent of this new treatment approach in this very difficult, hard to treat population. And this is really good news for the patient, but for the whole transplant community.